Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with thepoultrysite.com, and today we're here with Delair Bolis. He is the Executive Director and the head of the Global Poultry Business Unit for MSD Animal Health. So thanks for joining us, Bolis.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Tell us a little bit about where you see the poultry industry heading.
Listen, there is a very good question. Poultry is a highly focused and concentrated business. If we analyze today, or if you consider the way that the poultry industry is set up today, like say 5 or 6 countries, they produce or they represent more than 50% of our poultry industry around the world. At the same time, we have 10 companies that they are responsible for 30% of our broiler produced worldwide today. So it's more or less like what I'm trying to say is that it's a highly concentrated business. It's going to be continue being concentrated. So that especially not only in the large countries, but in the development countries. The way that the poultry also is moving forward, it's a science and high technology business. It's a high technical business. And looking at what our customers are really expecting for us is not only on focus on the disease control, they are also expecting from us a really approach on moving and transforming the science that there is behind the pharmaceutical company in real value to their business. This is basically so in the way that we expected that the poultry industry is going to be continue growing.
Very good. And what do you see are some of the drivers of the industry, those things that are going to keep moving it forward in the right direction?
There is one thing is that for sure, let's say the production cost is going to be one of the main important points that's going to be driving the poultry industry. So it's going to be, let's say, to produce better at the most competitive price, but also to capitalize the opportunity that we have worldwide today. We have more or less, I'd say, quite of a billion people. Said we have 7 billion people around the world today. They expect that there's going to be 9 billion in the next years, the next few years. So the chicken consumer is going to be continue growing in the way that if we analyze more or less today, the poultry industry is producing 110,000 chickens a minute. Wow. We say 3.4 or 3.5 million eggs per minute. So the industry is going to be continue growing in order to really feed the world demand. The world population is expected to grow in the next 40 years, and in the next 40 years is also expected that we need to produce exactly 100% more protein that we are producing today in order to really feed the world. And from where this protein, from where this food is going to come from, is going to come from productivity improvement. So that is where companies like us, we are focused on. Our customers, as I said before, they expected more than a simple approach on disease control. They expected also solutions and services that is going to be helping them on improvement performance and improvement process. So it's basically maintain the animal health expertise that we have, but also to move it to a customer's experience. So there is more or less the trends that's going to be, let's say, defining and linking the production trends from the future.
Very good.
My point.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Bolis.
No, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity, okay?
Thank you.
a lot.
This is Sarah Mikesell with thepoultrysite.com.